As you can see, there is a link, but these links are not opening. First option is to go on links, copy the text to display, and then paste on the address. Okay, so now we get a link to our URL. As you can see, there is lot of rows in this column. This would be a tedious task. For that, we are going to use some codes. We need a developer tab here. So file, options, customize ribbon. We are developer here. We go click on OK. So you have developer tab now. We'll click on Visual Basics and insert new module. We are going to write some code that will fix that URL with its hyperlink. Used range, save. Okay, now we'll click on it. Communication and alternative of year 2035. Sometime you may get an error, mismatch value error 13. That occurs due to some of the link may have missing or non-existing page. To counter that error, just add run. Will AI replaces? Will AI replaces? This is how you convert the URL in your Excel file to your hyperlink. Thanks for watching.